You might be heard it 1,000 times that SEO is all about optimize your website. But what if I told you that's only the half of the story?
Think of your website as a new restaurant. Suppose if you have a best restaurant, great menu, and cozy ambience, but if someone is not talking about your restaurant, then who's going to show up? Like if there is no recommendations on your website, no food bloggers, no local food bloggers is talking about it, then who is gonna show up?
That exactly how on-page SEO works. It's what happens outside of your website that builds credibility, authority, and ultimately high ranking.
And Google is the most city's trusted critic. It doesn't bother what's inside your websites. It just cares who talks and trusts about your website and how influencer your website across the internet.
So if your on-page SEO is weak, your website stay hidden, no matter how good your content is.
And no, off-page SEO isn't about just backlinks anymore.
The old way, stuff your website with backlinkings from anywhere you can find.
The new way, strategic, high authority, contextually relevant links from relevant sources.
But let's go deeper. Today, Google is looking more than just links. It analyzes brand mentions, PR signals, social engagement, and overall web presence that measures whether your website deserves to be ranked.
Because let's be honest, would you trust a business that no one is talking about? Exactly. Google do the same. How do you improve your off-page SEO 2025?
At W3era, we focus on real long-term authority building. No spammy backlinks, no outdated shortcuts, just real data backup strategy that search engine respect.
We start auditing from backlink profile, cleaning harmful links, and identifying opportunities in high authority placements.
Then we create a custom outreach strategies, securing backlinking from trusted industrial sources, brand mentions, authoritative blogs that almost move the needle.
But we don't stop at backlinks. We build brand awareness through digital PR, social engagement, and influencer collaborations, because as more as your brand can be seen, the more stronger your SEO becomes.
Let's not forget the topical authority. If Google sees your website as a leader in your industry, whether it is tech, finance, health, or e-commerce, it rewards you with more visibility, higher ranking, and more organic traffic.
One of our clients, a B2B software company, stuck on page 3 for their biggest keyword.
We restructured their link building strategies, increased PR placements, and improved their brand online visibility. Within just 4 months, they hit page 1, double to their referral traffic, and saw 100% increase in qualified leads.
And that's the power of off-page SEO. It isn't about ranking, it's about trust and credibility that last.
So the real question is, who is talking about your business? If the answer is not enough people, then it's time to change that.
Let's build your website's reputations, credibility, and authority in a right way.
Get a free off-page SEO consultation with W3era today. We will analyze your web presence, find the gaps, and create a roadmap that helps you to dominate your industry. Let's make your business beyond just a website. Let's make it a brand. Get in touch with W3era today.